channel. Today I am so happy to show you how to do strawberry Swiss roll. Welcome. And our ingredients are our flour 150 grams, and I've already sieved it, our sugar 150 grams, 6 eggs, and few drops of strawberry essence, and that is it. Now we are going to start by putting our sugar and our eggs in the mixing bowl. Then we are going to add few drops of strawberry essence. After putting our strawberry essence, we are going now to start the machine, and we are going to beat until it doubles up. Remember to start with slow speed, then as the mixture doubles, you increase your speed. At this point, it has already formed. So this is what we were looking for the mixture to double up. Then now we are going to fold in little by little. Until we finish all the flour. You're folding up, folding in. Now we put it in the baking tray. We spread it evenly to the tray. What I normally like doing is I try to so that it spreads evenly. Now it's ready to be baked 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Our Swiss roll is ready. Now when we do at this stage, we put icing sugar on top. Then I'll flip it on the other side. And this other side, like this. So we remove the paper. I roll it when it's still hot before I do anything. After that, you roll it back. We soak it with our sugar syrup, and inside the sugar syrup I put a little bit of strawberry essence. This is to help the cake not to be dry, to be moist. I start rolling it. When it's rolled completely, you try to turn it on this other side so that you then now you put it in your fridge to set for like 30 minutes until it sets. Now I'm going to slice it so that you see. You can see how beautiful our Swiss roll came out. It came out so well. Please try my recipe and comment in the comment section and let me know how your Swiss roll came out. This Swiss roll, it's very nice. You can take it with a cup of milk, hot chocolate, any beverage of your choice. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to Anne Lele YouTube channel. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to click the notification button right next to it so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, bye.